Hello, my friends. Today we'll learn about tips and tricks that will be useful for you in the future on WhatsApp. If you want to send a message to someone on WhatsApp and you specifically want that particular person to truly focus their attention on something quite specific, then this is how you can do it. You add an asterisk, then you can now add your desired text. After that, you add another asterisk, and then you simply press the send button. As you can clearly see, there's a noticeable difference between the initial regular message and the subsequent second message. Now you can easily add this particular symbol, as you can observe. Then you simply add the desired text. After that, you will add the very same symbol once again. Then you just press the send button, and as you can clearly see, the entire appearance or the brand new font style has been successfully applied. So my friends, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. And you can certainly check out and watch this comprehensive playlist. You will undoubtedly find many important and highly beneficial tutorials within it that you will truly appreciate and gain significant knowledge from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.